For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of G+11 story building structure with the help of the bracing system by using ETABS software. Okay, so this is the building model, general building model, which I was already done. So it will be consisting of the lift provision here, and this is the staircases purpose, and it will be consisting of one portion of the apartment structure on the left hand side, and it will be consisting of the one portion of the apartment structure on the right hand side. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how to analyze this respected apartment structure which is of G+11 story building by using ETABS software. Okay, and I will explain you how to design this respected building with the help of the bracing system. Okay, so bracings are nothing but the steel structures which are helps to decrease the seismic loading conditions section. Okay, so basically the bracings will be provided for the structure by using different types of the methods which are related to the backward bracings, forward bracings, X type bracings, V type bracings, inverted V bracings, K type bracings, Y bracings. Okay, so in this video I was provided the X type bracing for this respected building structure. So now we can see these are the X type bracings which are provided for the building structure in alternative positions. Okay, so initially I was taken the bracing system here, and I was leaving the space here like this, and I was taken the bracing system here, and I was leave the space here, and I was provided the bracing systems here. Okay, so firstly I will show you what are the different types of the properties I was taken for this respected building. So click on unlock model initially. So go to define option here and select the material property. For this building structure I was taken the structure which is consisting of M40 grade concrete and HYSD bars of 500, and for the bracing system I was taken FE250 grade. Okay, so again I will show you the properties which are related to the beam sections, column section. Go to select the section properties, frame sections option. So here I was consider the beam size which is related to the 0.23 cross 0.46, and column size I was taken approximately equal to 0.23 cross 0.69. Okay, so this is the ISMB 300 section for the bracing section. Okay, so click on the cancel option. So for this building I was taken the properties which is related to the slab thickness of approximately 150 mm. Okay, so again go to define option. So click on the load patterns option. So I was taken the load cases which are related to the dead load, live load, earthquake load, wind loading condition system, and earthquake load was provided which is related to the high seismic zone which is of zone 5 condition system. Okay, so now after applying the load cases we need to analyze the structure. Go to click on the analyze option here. So here we have to select the set load cases to run option. Click on the run now option so that it will do the analysis process for the building structure under considerations of the different types of the load cases which are related to the dead load, live load, floor load. Again it will be consisting of the seismic loading condition system and wind loading condition system. Due to the presence of the all these respective load cases, it will show you the deflection diagram. Okay, so after the analysis process completed, I will show you the diagrams which are related to the shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, deflection diagram under considerations of the different types of the load case. So now we can see this is the deflection diagram under considerations of the load case of dead loading condition system. Okay, so in order to change that respected deflection diagram to the another type of the load case system, then we have to click on the display option here. Okay, so select the deform shape option. You can select the load case which is related to the, let us consider earthquake load in X direction condition. Click on apply so that it will display the earthquake loading condition displacement diagram for the building. Okay, now we can see due to presence of the earthquake loading condition X direction, the building is deflecting in this direction. Okay, click on close option. Now we have to see the shear force diagram, bending moment diagram. Go to display option, select the forces diagram, spear, fan relay, spore. Select the shear to toe option, click on apply option so that it will display the shear force diagram under considerations of the dead loading condition. You can directly change that respective load to earthquake load in X direction. Click on apply so that it will display the earthquake load in X direction condition system shear force diagram. Okay, again in the same process you can select the bending moment to okay, 3 option, click on select your respected dead loading condition, click on apply so that it will display the bending moment diagram under considerations of the dead load. Okay, so after seeing the analysis results we need to design this building structure. Okay, so before that we need to add the strip condition system for the different floors. Okay, so for that initially we need to unlock the model, click on S option. So here I am selecting my plan view. So here I am selecting story number 1, click on OK option. So again click on apply option so that it will display the story number 1 plan view. Okay, so now we have to add the strip condition system in X direction, Y direction. Go to edit option here, select the add edit grid strips option, select the add strip condition system. Firstly, we will select the story number 1. Okay, so here I am selecting X direction with the strip is A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system in X direction with the layer is A. Again, in the same process, we have to select the direction, grid direction, which is consisting of approximately Y direction with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system for the Y direction condition system. Okay, so after applying the strip condition system, we need to apply the remaining strip condition like second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, again sixth floor till the 12th story. Okay, so after applying all the strip condition system for the different types of the floors, we need to click on OK option. So now we have to design the building structure as per the IS 456 2000 code provisions. Okay, so for that we have to click on the design option. So here I am selecting the design option here. Select the concrete frame design. Select the view revised preferences initially. We need to select the IS 456 2000 code standard. Click on OK option. Again we have to click on the design option, concrete frame design. So here we have to select the start design check for the respective structure. Before that we need to do the analysis process again with the help of the strip condition system. Just I am doing the analysis process, run analysis option here. Okay, so that it will do the analysis process for the respective structure with the help of the strip condition system in both X direction condition system and Y direction condition system with the different types of the floors. So here we have to click on the design option again. So select the concrete frame design. So select the view revised preferences as per IS 456. Click on OK option. So again click on the design option, concrete frame design. Click on start design check. Okay, so that it will start designing check for the respected frame section under consideration. So now you can see it was done with the designing process for the respected columns and beam section. Okay, so now we have to design the slab section. Go to click on the slab designing section. Select the view revised preferences option here. So initially we need to select the IS 456 2000 code standard. Click on OK option. So select the slab designing section here. Again select the start designing check. Okay, so it will ask you to select the floors. So here I am selecting 12th story to 1 story. Click on OK option so that it will design the slab designing section as per the IS 456 2000 code. So it will take some time for analysis process for the respective slab designing. So after that it will show you the results part which is related to the slab designing section. So now we can see it was showing the strip layer reinforcement values intensity here like this. So now we have to save this respected model in ETABS software. So here now I am selecting Ctrl S option so that it will save the model. So now we have to show the detailing process in CSI detailing version software. So for that just I am selecting here as CSI detailing 18 version software. Select the file option here. Select the new detailing option. So it will ask you to select the model. Just I am selecting the model which is related to the bracing at alternative position. Just I am selecting here so that it will open the model initially in CSI ETABS 18 version software. Then after that it will directly import it to CSI detailing 18. So click on OK option here. So initially we need to select the options which are related to the selection units and IS codal provision from this. Select the detailing units. Select the kilonewton option. Select as per the ton option for the reinforcement material. Click on OK. Select the preferences and select as per the IS 456 2000 code. Click on OK. Select the rebar rules option. Okay. So here we have to pick that respected spacing for the respected slab section, beam section, column sections as per the standard. So here I am considering the value minimum will be of 150 and maximum will be of 450 for the slab section. Again in the same process I am selecting the same amount of the value 150, 150, 150 for the minimum value for the beam section and maximum will be of 450 and this is also 450, sorry this is also 450 and this is also 450. Again I am selecting the column section under consideration. This is the 150 value I am considering here. Again I am selecting this respected maximum value will be of 450 value. Click on OK option. Okay, so after that we have to click on OK option directly so that it will do the designing process for the building structure under considerations of the different types of the load cases and by using different floors for the different types of the load cases by using ETABS software. So now we can see here it was done with the detailing process for the respective section. So this is the framing plan for the respected top framing plan for the slab section under consideration. It will be consisting of the framing plan here and this is the bottom framing plan for the rebar section and this is the all rebar plan for the respected top section and bottom section for the building. Okay, so now we have to see the rebar KGA for the building structure. So for that, just I'm selecting the rebar KGA for the 12th story, so that it will load the rebar KGA for the building structure under considerations of the different types of the load cases. Okay, so this is the rebar KGA for the respected building structure under consideration. It will be consisting of the reinforcement diagram here like this. Okay, so now we have to see the beam reinforcement results. Okay, so here I'm selecting this beam detailing option. So select the elevation section, select any one of the floor. Just I'm selecting the story number 12. It will be consisting of no rebar values here. Again, it is also consisting of no rebar for the different types of the floors. Now we can see it is showing no rebar. Why? Because it will be consisting of a higher amount of the load case condition system. That's why it is showing the no rebar values here. Okay, so in order to decrease that respected load intensity, we have to go with higher amount of the dimensions for the respected section. Okay, so you can select any one of the section. Just I'm selecting here for the reference purpose. Okay, so if you want the reinforcement value, you need to increase the size. Okay, so again I am selecting the column section, concrete columns, select the elevation. Again in the column section also it is not showing the any rebar section for the respected section. In order to design that respected rebar value, we need to take the additional column size. Okay, so here as per the example I was taken 230 cross 690 for the respected dimensions. So if you take that respected value to some 450 cross 450 or 500 cross 500, so that it will show you the rebar values. Okay, so select the bracings details. So click on so that it will show you the rebar values for the respected frame section. Okay, so this is a complete process of analysis and designing of G plus 11 story building structure with the help of the bracing system by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. So in my upcoming video, I will explain you how to get this respected rebar for the respected story. So here as per the consideration, it is showing the no rebar value for the respected beam sections and column section. Okay, so in the upcoming video, I will explain you how to get this respected rebar reinforcement values for the column sections and beam section under consideration. Okay, thank you.